In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collection lists in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or just getting started, understanding how to effectively use collection lists can greatly enhance the way you display dynamic content on your site. So let's dive right into it. First, you're going to want to locate that trusty plus icon you see on the left-hand side of your Webflow interface. Think of it as your gateway to adding new elements and features to your website. Give that plus icon a click, and it will open up a whole menu of options for you to explore. Now, to find what we're looking for, you're going to scroll down a bit until you hit the CMS section. It's here where you'll find the collection list element. Once you've spotted it, simply click and drag the collection list onto your web page to start integrating that dynamic content. As soon as you drop the collection list onto your site, you'll notice a small but very important window pop up. This is where you'll need to set the source for your collection list. The source is essentially the CMS collection you want to display the content from. If you have multiple collections, choose the one that best fits the type of dynamic content you wish to showcase. Managing CMS collections is an essential part of working effectively in Webflow. So here's a quick tip. You can easily access and manage your CMS collections by pressing Alt+C. But if shortcuts aren't your thing, there's an equally simple alternative. Just look towards the top left of your screen and find the CMS icon. It resembles 3 coins stacked together and is your quick access point to all things CMS. Once inside, you can add new entries, delete old ones, and edit existing content to keep your collections up to date and relevant. After you've established the connection between your CMS and the collection list, you're ready to begin editing. The beauty of collection lists is in their efficiency. You only need to design one collection item, and Webflow will automatically apply that styling across every other item in the list. This not only saves you a ton of time, but also ensures a consistent and cohesive look throughout your site. That's it. You've added a collection list to your Webflow site and connected it to your dynamic content. Doing so helps take your website from static to dynamic, giving it the capability to grow and evolve seamlessly as you update your content over time. With just a few steps, you've managed to incorporate a powerful feature of Webflow into your project, making your content more engaging and easier to manage. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!